Hey, hi guys, welcome to YouTube. So in this video, I will show you how you can set or claim your YouTube URL. It's very easy. First, log into your Google account or sign into your uh, YouTube account. After this, visit your channel and then click on the customize channel option. And now you can see this setting option. Okay, click on this setting option. Here you can see lots of options. One of them is advanced settings. Click on the advanced setting. After clicking, this kind of page will be opened, and in top of this page you can see there is account information. Click on the change, and now click on the edit. Now you will be redirected to new page. From this page you can basically change your name and URL. So we don't want to change our name. It's okay, so cancel this. Now here you can see the option which is called sites. Click on this edit button, or in this pencil basically. So here you can see I already have claimed my URL. So what I will do now, I will click on this cross and cancel this, and now continue. That's it. Click on the OK. Now I don't have any URL connected to my YouTube channel. So go back to your YouTube channel and go to your Creator Studio. This is a new dashboard of Creator Studio, but we want a old one. So here you can see in left side there is a Creator Studio Classic. Click on this option and then just skip this skip this, and now you will be redirected to the old classic version of dashboard. Now here is lots of option. One of them is channel. Click on the channel, and in the channel there you can see there is an option which is called custom URL. So now it is not enabled. Now what we can do, we can claim a new URL. So here you can see you are eligible for the custom URL. Claim it here. Click on the here. Now this kind of page will be opened, and now you are here you can see in the channel settings you are eligible for custom URL. Claim it here. Now click on the here once again, and from here you can choose a new URL for your channel. So this is the old one. Now I wanted a new one, so let's add a few characters with it. I will write this as vlogs. That's it. Rajiv Chaudhary vlogs. That's it. Now click on I have read and agree to the custom URL terms and use, and click on the change URL. Change URL, confirm choice. That's it. This is how you basically change a URL in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take care.